Hey y'all, I recently received the Taste Style Coffee Maker Descaler cleaning tablets to try out. And I have to say, my first impression is very positive. The first thing I notice is that the tablets are individually wrapped, which I really appreciate. It keeps each tablet protected from moisture, and I don't have to worry about opening a package and having the rest lose their effectiveness over time. I also like how simple these tablets are to use. Instead of dealing with messy powders, liquids, or measuring vinegar, all I have to do is fill my coffee maker's water reservoir with cold water, drop in one tablet, and let it dissolve. That's about as easy as it gets. According to the manufacturer, these tablets are designed to remove hard water buildup, calcium, limescale, coffee oils, and grime that can collect inside coffee makers over time. They also state that the formula works faster and more effectively than vinegar while helping maintain the machine's performance. Another feature that caught my attention is the compatibility. Whether you own a Keurig, Ninja, Nespresso, Breville, Black & Decker, Hamilton Beach, Cuisinart, or Mr. Coffee, or another brand, these tablets are designed to work with a wide variety of drip, single-serve, multi-cup, and espresso coffee makers. One thing I also found impressive is the value. This package includes 30 descaling tablets, which the manufacturer says provides over a year's supply when used regularly. That's a lot of cleaning power in one box. As someone who enjoys to make my husband a cup of coffee, myself a cup of tea, I know how important it is to keep the machine clean. Mineral deposits and coffee residue can affect both performance and flavor, so I like the idea of having a simple maintenance routine to help keep everything running smoothly. Overall, my first impression of the Taste Style Coffee Maker Descaler cleaning tablets is that they appear to be a convenient, easy-to-use solution for routine coffee maker maintenance. I like the individually wrapped tablets, the straightforward instructions, and the fact that they're made to work with so many different coffee machines. I'm looking forward to continuing to use them and seeing how they help keep my coffee maker clean and brewing great tasting coffee and teas. Y'all, I just took a moment to clean out these cup holders again, and I swear I get tired of doing that. But thank goodness I was looking on Amazon and I found something I needed, as always. This right here.
Singero silicone car cup holder inserts, universal non-slip cup holder coasters.
Which are these? Which hopefully that'll help the process. Okay, let's put them in. Don't know what that is. Something that's built ages ago. So we'll just take this little tab. I'll slide it on the side that's kind of open right here and mesh those in. Hey, that fits perfect. That fits perfect. Okay. Excuse the air for blowing, y'all, but it's hot out here. That is amazing. I love it. Have y'all ever checked these little things out? On Amazon, you can find these little LED lights that you can plug in to your USB-C plugs in the car, but I think you're supposed to make sure you unplug them when they're not in use. So I'm gonna try it. I'm gonna try it just because. I should have got blue or red, shouldn't I? But let's see what it does. Okay, it just illuminates like that. So what would be the purpose? I don't know. I really don't know. And I think they will not drain your battery, but definitely unplug them when you're getting out of the car, which I think would be, a lot, especially for me. I don't think I will remember every time. But that's what they look like.
I already know. Ain't calling just to check on my soul. You need a favor, need a ride, need some money every single time you don't ask. Baby, how you been? Don't care if I'm losing or if I win. Soon as you need me, here you come. Like I'm supposed to drop everything I've done. You don't pour, you just drain. Every conversation is the same. I finally woke up, now I can see you've been living off the best of me. Oh, lose my number, delete my name. I'm tired of playing your selfish little game. You only call when you want something, need something, borrow something, use something. Tell me something, but never how you doing. Do you need something? Can I help you? Girl, let's just talk. Well, today I'm locking the door. You ain't getting nothing anymore. My peace costs too much, you can't afford the fee. And everything in my bank account belongs to me. My mind is tired, my spirit too. Everybody eating, guess who's the food? I'm not your ATM, I'm not your bank, not your therapist, not your gas tank. Some folks think kindness means weak. They'll drain your soul every single week, then disappear without a trace, till they need another handout in the first place. No more guilt, no more shame. I'm finally putting respect on my name. If loving me makes you mad, then baby, that's just too bad. Hey, lose my number, delete my name. I'm through playing your one-sided game. You only call when you want something, need something, borrow something, use something. Tell me something. Never asking, are you okay? Can I bless you today? Do you need a friend? Can I help you mend? I'm locking the door, throwing away the key, and what's in my wallet stays with me. Now listen, being kind don't mean being foolish. Being generous don't mean being used. I'm done carrying grown folks on my back. If you only know my number when you're in trouble, then forget it, lose it, erase it. Because this season, I'm choosing me. Vamp! Take, that's all you ever do. Take, never thinking it through. No more loans, no more rides, no more draining my peace inside. Take, that chapter's through. I'm keeping what's mine. And baby, so should you. It's alright to protect your peace. It's alright to guard your heart. It's alright to keep your blessings, 'cause everybody ain't entitled to your kindness. I'm locking the door, I'm keeping the keys. My peace is expensive, and what's in my bank account belongs to me. Lose my number and let somebody else answer. Sunlight peeking through my window pane. Coffee brewing, got a lot on my brain. Dishes calling, laundry piling high. But this little life, it's my pride. Sweep the floor, let the music play. Got my rhythm in a different way. Ain't no rush, I move with grace. Turning this house into my sacred space. Every little thing I do, I'm building love in every room. care of home, yeah. Heart in every corner I roam, yeah. Busy hands but my soul at peace. This is where I find my peace. Folding dreams in the sheets tonight. Everything gonna be alright. Through the chaos I still believe. Home is love and home is me. Closet full but I'm letting go. Making space so my life can grow. Organizing more than things I see. I'm decluttering inside of me. Fridge stacked up, got it looking right. Little wins feel so big tonight. Every step got a purpose, child. Even tired, I still smile. It's more than just a chore to me. It's healing in simplicity. I'm taking care of home, yeah. Heart in every corner I roam, yeah. Busy hands but my soul at ease. This is where I find my peace. Folding dreams in the sheets tonight. Everything gonna be alright. Through the chaos I still believe. Home is love and home is me. Listen, it ain't about perfection, baby. It's about intention. Every wipe, every fold, every little reset. That's love, that's legacy. Clean it up, clear it out, let it shine. This little life, yeah, it's mine, all mine. I'm taking care of home, yeah. It's my joy, it's my zone, yeah. Home, yeah. Through the busy, I still breathe. This is where I'm meant to be. Lighting candles, setting vibes tonight. Everything gonna be alright. Through it all, I still believe. Home is love and home is me. Yeah. Home ain't just a place. It's a feeling, and I feel it.
I told y'all I was going to get me a mount for the car so I can do a little vlogging. I've been using my phone out and about, so now I can vlog in the car. Let's see if we're going to actually do this right. I did pick this one up off of Amazon. I will have the link below for you. It's cute. I think it might work just fine. We're going to see. We're going to see. Okay. I'll let you know. Stay tuned.
We gather round the kitchen light, talk about wrong, talk about right, share our hearts, pour some tea, tell the truth, set it free. Ain't no judgment, just soft arms, holding sisters through life's storms. This is the circle, unbreakable chain. We lift each other when it rains. We cry, we laugh, we heal, we pray. We show love in every way. This is a circle, roots so strong. Together's where we all belong. Yeah. We've been wives, we've been mothers, we've been lovers, friends and others. But through it all we've learned this much: a woman's power is in her touch. Every scar, every tear becomes a diamond when we meet. It's a simple we rise, we shine, we mend, we bloom. Together we feel the
What's up, baby girl? Sweet angel. Getting ready to head out. Take this little one to the doctor's office today, finally. Guess what? Last time I forgot. Today I'm on it. So we're going to get to it. We'll see y'all there. You gotta put your arm back in. Who is that? You're a superhero. Say, I am at the doctor. So hot and sweaty. I'm going to get to the house. Roll and I just, she had her doctor's appointment and went to the mall for a second. She picked up some toys. We're heading into the house because I'm expecting some packages that I don't want to miss out on. So yeah, we did that, but I'll holler at y'all a little later on, okay? Oh, home at last. Oh my gosh. It's so freaking hot out here. I mean, it has been worse, but you know, we're gonna be all right. We're gonna be all right. Let's get in this house. We had some juice pouches. We did not eat those. I mean, we did not drink those. I told y'all I'm hot. But whatever. Yeah, we're finna go get us something to eat. And, yeah, we're gonna call it a day. I will catch y'all on the next one. We're gonna get in this house and get situated, and we'll be back real soon to y'all.